So this will just be a quick video to show the difference in the mounting type for the S series stabilized receivers. In this video, I'm just using a SR10 Plus, but this same logic can be applied to all of the stabilized receivers, both in the Archer series, Archer Plus series, Tandem series, and Twin series, as well as the older S series ACCST receivers. So in this case, the receiver is just set to the default horizontal mounting type, which is the label up, and you can see as the receiver banks with it in self-level mode, the servos will fight back to stabilize it back to center. If I change this to horizontal reverse, some people may think that that just means reversed this way, but what that actually means is reversed upside down. So you can see with it normally right side up, the servos are deflecting to their maximum because it expects the receiver to be reverse, which is upside down. And now with it in the upside down position, the servos are back to center and operating accordingly. Likewise, vertical can also be a little bit confusing because some people may think that vertical means vertical like this. However, vertical is going to mean either this direction vertical or opposite here. So I'll show that as well. If I change this to vertical and back out, you see here the servos are still trying to fight back. So this is not vertical. This is vertical with my label that way. And see, now the servos are centered. And then vertical reverse will be this way flipped over. So see how they're deflecting again? And if I go into the stab setup, open, and change the mounting type to vertical reverse, back out, you see now that the servos have centered back, vertical reverse is this way. And of course, for this particular receiver, the antennas will be facing towards the nose of the airplane. So forward nose of the aircraft is that way. So that's just a quick way to see the 4 different mounting positions of the receiver. Again, I'll walk through that. Horizontal means horizontal, antennas forward to the nose for this particular receiver. If it's like a TDS R18, those ones go battery to the front of the plane. So horizontal is just horizontal. Horizontal reverse is actually horizontal flipped over. I'll give it a second for those servos to center again. Vertical is going to be that way with my label that way, and vertical reverse is going to be this direction with the label facing toward me right now. And it takes it a second for the servos to figure the center back out again. So if you have your servos deflecting and you have your receiver mounted normally, make sure you check your mounting type and set it to according to the position of the actual receiver.